I will be presenting the best practices for AI companies. First of all, we all need to understand the purposes of the shred work. Basically, there are three main purposes for the shred work. The first one is a basic research. Okay? The basic research is a fundamental research that is performed typically in a lab setting without a specific application in mind. The second purpose here is applied research. So those applied research are also advanced and scientific research, but with a specific application in mind. As you know, AI is still in its early stage of fundamental application. This means that there is still room to do applied research in those fields. For instance, we have here a project about a novel machine learning approach for classification of emotion and polarity in sentiment. The title and the description of this project suggests that we will create a new machine learning approach. So this means that this project is an applied research. If this is the case for your project, just remember to mention that very clearly in your T661 form. The last purpose is the experimental development. So this kind of development is also a shred project, but with a specific application in mind. It does not require to build or to create a new process or new technologies. Most of the AI related project falls under this kind of category of project because in most of the AI projects, people use, customize, adapt existing method or techniques in order to achieve a technological advancement. I have a couple of scenarios here that are part of our recent project that we have done with our client. The first project is about application of AI principle for outlier detection or anomaly detection in a huge amount of data collected from multiple point of sale systems. As you see here, we are using AI principle and techniques, but to achieve a specific goal. Same thing for this project. The goal is to develop and train a real-time facial recognition AI system with a success rate using a restricted subset of reference image. The key here is to know that we are using, of course, well-established techniques for facial recognition, but we want to improve the success rate, and also we want to reduce the amount of reference image that will be used for the training phase. Finally, we have a project here about using those kind of techniques also as a recommendation engine for information using distributed data source and using natural language processing. Again, here, the same principle apply. We use AI technique to have a technological advancement and also to provide solution.